good. So I've got this Audi 5 all based up. Sorry, Audi A5 all based up, ready to clear. I'm just giving that base coat a minute to flush off. I actually walked in here with the colour and clear, ready to go. I'm not going to even leave the booth between coats or anything like that. The car's got to go today, and the panel, like I primed this job up last night, this patch, and the repair was no good. Like down here, the line was non-existent. So we got the panel meter to try fixing it first up in the morning, and he still didn't get it right. And then I found another low spot through here, so I had to fix that. And then I just said, man, forget about it, I'll do it. So I had to fix the line up for him. And yeah, get it in the booth, give her a couple of coats to clear and fake it out, and yeah, send it out tonight, because the owner is waiting for their car. They want their car back. So how many of you painters out there have to do filler repairs and fixing panel beater stuff? I actually don't mind it. I don't reckon it's that bad. I've got to do it quite often, not out of choice, out of necessity. Are you the kind of painter that would just send it straight back and say, no, not good enough? Or do you just get in and get it done? So yeah, the FLG5. I used this gun this morning for clear coat on, oh sorry, not clear coat, but direct gloss on this floor territory that I painted. And I was just really happy with the finish I got out of it. So I thought, why not? Give her a run for clear. I haven't used it for clear for ages. It seems like it's a bit slower than some of the other guns I've been using recently. A bit slower than the Pro Light. And it feels like it's low pressure. Even though it's staying 2 bar, it just feels like it's not quite the usual 2 bar. It doesn't sound as high and less overspray. But still capable of some pretty nice finishes, as you can see there. That's just the first coat. So I'm going to give that a few minutes to flash off. I want this job to come out as clean as possible. The minimal polishing, and there's really not many up the top here, but there's actually quite a few really little bits of dust in there. And if we let that first coat flash right off and then build that clear up nice and thick, we'll actually get rid of all those smaller bits of dust. There's one big one here. I might even turn that pressure up a little bit for the first coat and see how, sorry, the second coat. Quite 40 psi, why not? Should have enough clear there. So yeah, this thing operates really well at low pressures. It's a little bit slower than some of the other guns. I seem to remember painting base coat and clear coat even at like 20 psi where I used to work in my own workshop. I won't pull that trigger too much, I don't want to run out of clear. I mixed up 220 mils of clear for this job here, and I'm using the Quartz liquid glass clear. I've actually got 2.5% reducer in there, so I've been playing around with this liquid glass with some different application methods and thinning methods and stuff like that, and it's warming up today. It must be like low to mid 20s Celsius, so I need a bit less thinners in the warmer months. Yeah, see, it's flashing off nice and quickly. Just give it another minute. But yeah, absolutely loving this liquid glass clear. It dries nice. The only thing that I don't like about it is that it's hard to polish, but that's just like most high solid clears. This is a VHS, so very high solid clear. But yeah, most, if not all high solid clears I've used do take a little bit longer on the buff. Just because they're so hard, basically. But yeah, it's much better quality. It'll have better UV resistance and all that. Yeah, it's looking quite classy. Let's go with that second coat. I'm pretty confident that's flashed off. Let's slam it on. Old school Gunman style FLG5. Well, I think I was using the FLG5, but it's the exact same gun. Just sort of breaking that panel up into two. Yeah, my usual mixtures are like 130 per panel, but this is an extra large panel, so mix up that a little bit more. Yeah, I find it probably gets it on a little bit quicker with the higher pressure, and that's glassy. All of those little bits of dust I was mentioning in the first coat, they're all gone. We're left with 2 or 3 big ones, but nothing that's not going to be able to polish out. Yeah, no big hangers, no excessive orange peel, nice efficient mixture of my clear coat. So I've been using this clear for nearly 2 weeks. So today's Thursday and I started using this clear last Monday, and that's a 7.5 litre kit, and I've used it on every single job. So it goes a long way, this liquid glass. It really does go a long way. There you go. Well, the boss is sitting out there, so I'm not going to sit around forever in the booth and take photos and all that, but yeah, have a quick hook up at this nickel glass laid down with the FLG5.